Hey hello, it's Emily, and today is Monday, which means it is the start of another weekly vlog. So here is weekly vlog number 2. And so today I've just done some basic things. I'll show you my outfit later. I put on an outfit. And so I planned out my school. I'll tell you a few of the things. So one of my classes is mostly completely done with for the year, so that's good. My things to do today: start a vlog, just did that right now. I have to post a video today, so I'm posting the bleaching my hair video. And I will link that in the corner because it will be out by the time this is posted because I'm posting it today. What else? I gotta work out, film part of a video, plant one of my succulents. This one isn't like actually potted yet. And then I'm going to finish one of my classes. I already did one, but I want to do another today just so that I can get a head start and have more free time near the end of the week. So yeah, today I went on a walk, so I'll show you a clip of that in a second, and then we'll figure out something fun to do afterwards. Okay, so here's my outfit for today. So I'm just wearing a basic white t-shirt from Old Navy, and then a black and white, like it has tiny little white dots. It's a romper, and I believe that it is from H&M, and it's got pockets, which I love. So that's my little outfit for today. Okay, so now I just hung up this mirror right here, and I think I'm going to continue like my photo wall up there and like to the side so that it covers the entire wall. Let me show you real quick. So here's the mirror. And then I want to cover like the entire wall. I just printed out a bunch of pictures and I'm going to cut them out and then tape them onto the wall, and they'll all look like this in the end. Okay, hey everyone, so it is currently, well, it's 6 o'clock. My clock's a little off, but that means that I am posting my video. And there it is. Now it is public, and if I go to my channel and videos, then there it is. So now I'm going to post a link to that on Instagram, and then I'm going to probably set it as my trailer and first video viewed for like a viewer who's subscribed and not subscribed, if that makes any sense. I haven't done that before, but I'm going to try it this time and see if it helps the video at all. And I've been working on cutting these out, and I've finished cutting them all out. And so now I'm going to put like tape on the back of them and then stick them onto my wall. So yeah. Hey, so today is Tuesday, and today I didn't finish anything much yesterday, but today I decided to work out. I washed my face, I made pancakes, went on a walk, did some schoolwork, and so you'll see all of that right now, or a few clips of it. So after all of that, I was doing my schoolwork and I saw that a package had arrived. So in my last vlog, you would have seen that I ordered a little pool. I had a little clip of that, and I'll link that vlog in the corner. Here it is. It just arrived, and I'm going to unbox it right now. Okay, so here is the pool, and first things first. Okay, so basically this is just a little kiddie pool because I don't have a pool in my yard. And I haven't swam in a while, and I kind of just wanted to do something fun and spontaneous. So here it is. It's like a kind of small but not too small pool, and it's like supposedly sunset colors. It's got green, yellow, orange, and pink, and it also comes with patches in case it gets a hole, so that's really good. So yeah, if you're for whatever reason interested in knowing where I got this, I will try to link it in the description. It's just from Amazon. It's a Intex sunset colors pool. So now I guess I'm going to like blow it up because that's what you do with inflatable pools. So each individual color gets like blown up separately. So this is going to take a while, so I'll show you after it's done. Hi, so my hair's a mess and yeah, but anyways, I'm just sitting in the pool watching the sunset. Hello everyone, today is Wednesday and today I have finished my class already and I worked on editing a video that will be out tomorrow. I've gotten dressed, washed my face already, and washed my hair too. So yeah, now I'm just going to do my laundry real quick, so you'll see that in a second, and then we'll see if I decide to like do my makeup or anything. Hey, so I just swam in the pool for a little bit because I love it so much. It was a great purchase, honestly. So yeah, here's my little swimsuit if you were wondering. Okay, so I'm back in my original clothes. So basically today's outfit is just a dress from Old Navy. It's this cute one. And yeah, so dresses, I love wearing them because they're easy. It's one piece thing and it's a whole outfit right there, so. Okay, hey, so basically, I just did a little live stream and I'm wanting to do those weekly, but I will put a clip of it right here. So yeah, I just went live and basically I was live for maybe 20 minutes. I was doing a face mask and then somehow my live stream ends. And it says that the reason was because I had like copyright music or video, or that somebody like reported me for doing something, but I was literally just sitting in a chair in silence talking to the camera doing a face mask. So I have no idea why that cut off, but if anybody was watching it and it just like suddenly ended, that is why, and that is why it is not posted on my channel. Also, I created a thumbnail for it while going live and now I do not need that thumbnail because the live stream did not save. So anyways, that happened and I think I'm going to end this vlog for today. You'll see me again tomorrow. And yeah, anyways, that's what happened today and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, so today is Thursday and I realized that I started filming little clips of my day before doing like a little intro to the day. So basically I'm just gonna like tell you the things that I did and then we'll clip to them in a second. So basically today, it's another uploading day. So I like started the uploading process onto YouTube for the video that's going to be out today, which will be my everyday makeup routine video. So that's out. And then also the live stream that I did yesterday, I like contacted YouTube about it and they ended up putting it back up. And so the video before it cut off is up. So I'm pretty happy that that's back up and then I was able to use the thumbnail even though it kind of cuts off randomly, but that's out and I will link it in the corner if you want to see that. Yeah, so today basically I worked out, then I jumped in the pool and I worked on some videos. So you'll see that right now. Hi, okay, so if you couldn't tell, I just jumped in the pool for a little bit after working out. So these next 2 weeks I'm going to be doing the Chloe Ting 2-week workout, so I'll update you a little bit in the vlog. And yeah, here's my swimsuit. It's a leopard one from Target and I'm gonna change it to normal clothes. Okay, so here's my little OOTD. So I'm wearing this striped tie-up like button-down top from Forever 21, these high-waisted denim shorts from Forever 21, and then my scrunchie from my tie-dyeing scrunchie video. So, yep, here's the outfit for today. Okay, so I just went to pennyboard for a little bit, and so that's the clip that you just saw, and I think I'm going to end here because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do anything more exciting today, and then I'll see you for Friday, which is the last day of this vlog. Yay! Hey everyone, today is Friday and today I haven't really filmed much, but I did film a little bit. So basically today I finished the class that had the most work today, and that's the last class for the week. I have the weekend off now. And I worked out, which I will show a clip of, and then I jumped at the pool again because I love the little pool, okay? Yeah, and that's like basically everything that I've done so far today, so I'll show a few clips from today and then I'll catch back up afterwards. here's my little outfit of the day. So the top is from Forever 21, and then the shorts, I don't even know where they're from, but it's just a very basic outfit. Okay, so I just tried to do like a little mirror photo shoot because that's been a thing lately, and I thought it would be super cute, but honestly it wasn't like that great. I think if I wanted to do it for real, I should like do it when it's sunnier, so then you know, like sun-kissed and all that. But yeah, like I tried that, and you would have seen a few clips of it just now. But anyways, that's it for Friday, and that was all for this vlog. So anyways, I will see you next week. I post every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. There are vlogs every Saturday and regular videos on the other 2 days. So subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. And if you're interested, I'll have all of my social media linked below. And definitely go check out my channel and some of my other videos if you want to. Okay, before I go, I'm actually doing a shout out this week. So go subscribe to the channel that I will link in the corner. And just check out her channel. Maybe like or watch a few of her videos. But yeah, go check her out in the corner. And now that's all, so bye.